It's super hot again. I went to buy dog food. So, this AI of YouTube, like it all as a thumbnail on a video, like pick like a certain posture or whatever. And I was watching on this one lady's channel, like this close up of the French president, and he had some VCR. And you see it a lot, like in movies. This AI will put like a thumbnail, like if you look carefully, you see it. So I went to buy some dog food. What I wanted to say is I like watch like theories about why people don't get tattoos and I don't have tattoos. And I can actually get as many as I want for free. And I'm just not interested. I don't care what I look like. And I want to portray an image of intimidation or meanness or macho or any of that. So that's not that. I don't think there's anything psychological to it. My one friend asked me like, why do I post so many videos? And it's more also like I'm also human and a person, and humanity will more be the same. But it's primarily due to the fact that back home, I'm going home tomorrow. Back home, I don't have like a fiber provider or something, so I have to use data. And there I'm busy. And here I was like helping my mom. So and that's my that. I listened to this rhetoric of I don't know, like this thing about Trump and this veteran guy talking about it. And that's just freaking evil. And I don't think it's all not true. I hope so. I think it's not true. So, but other people do. It's just like amazing. Like you find with them like the left and right thing, like it's absolutely like the one side doesn't see the other side as human. It's not a healthy setup. Okay.